Gave me the letter. You got to smile, it's gonna be alright. Smile, I'll be right by your side. Smile, it's gonna be okay. Smile, just let it go and pray. Yeah, smile, it's gonna be alright. Smile.
Email chat na hi katana na izun wai hi e karwal polo na kung kwa tu katan chu ana sang e mai zan khat chau tal chu katan om le ro
I just wanna roll, I just wanna roll.
Damn, mommy.
I just wanna roll. Pause. Hold up.
Hey, scooty khal pa lấy roll Chhelo đi lâu chán hiền mệt lâu hiền kì.
Event te mangai ro tia khan an chung kwa so huam ve lo ti siang chau rule ngan chu ni la an chung kwa so chuk fuk fuk ani ka
What to do with that big fat wiggle wiggle
like
well now they know
say you remember me standing in a nice dress staring at the sunset
You're a bad thing. I know I fucked up. I'm just a loser.
TikTok làm mà thì phụ lệ thầy mi à động cái này hay anh rồi gần như số tỷ bệ thầy thế nào tia tỷ tệ hi bạn phụ lệ thầy đâu cắt suộc phụ lệ thầy đâu ra này ết cẩn sang.
Hey girl, you like me a little bit?
no I don't even like you a little bit
Come on girl, you like me a little bit.
Not even a little bit.
Wait, don't you like me a little bit?
ew I don't even like you a little bit
Huh, I heard.
You don't get to call me a whore. When I met you, I thought I had found the person that I was going to spend the rest of my life with. I was done. So all the boys and all the bars and all the obvious daddy issues, who cared? Because I was done. You left me. You chose Addison. I'm all glued back together now. I make no apologies for how I chose to repair what you broke. You don't get to call me a whore.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1 I love you
Nang matu bay pa ko na pur hoiste na kan test ki tang ro awan no am don we test ki driver khan mo kal don mi lokal mai ro nilo ti swan nang matu kal do me ro lut ro le traffic duty khan test ki driver kha kal ro le inutya test ki driver fakar deu khan ala tol chau jeu nya nang mani passenger ala full chon ilo kal thei ta alu nom don ham we nang mani company peng ilo thleng ta company peng trang tu le tran niam ne le tran niam trang a son.
culture. Look at him tremble. He's gonna burst a blood vessel because I dissed his wife.
Don't you like it when these diamonds look like wristbands? I'm a little closer, sexy boy, in the sky. A little.